If you have a water leak, it's important to know who's going to fix it. If it's inside your home, then it's your responsibility. Turn off the internal stop tap, like this one under the sink, and get help from a plumber. If you're not able to turn off your internal stop tap, we may be able to isolate your water supply by turning off the external stop tap. Please call us for more help. Welsh Water's responsibility ends in the public highway, at the boundary with your property. That's usually where the public water main ends and your private water pipe begins. But the good news is that if you have a leak on your supply pipe, that is the pipe that runs from the external stop tap in your highway to your home, we will try to help. We'll repair one leak on a household supply pipe free of charge, but only once in the 3-year period. Also, if the supply pipe is found to be in poor condition, a repair might not be the most feasible option. In most circumstances, we will replace the pipe up to a maximum of 15 metres, also free of charge. So, if you've got a leak inside, call a plumber. If it's outside, call us and we'll see what we can do.